Grabe, ang init sa Pilipinas ngayon, no? Parang kahit 3 electric fan pa hindi pa rin sapat. Araw-araw na lang parang nasa oven. Tapos kapag chinek mo sa news, heat index daw umaabot ng 45 degrees Celsius o minsan higit pa. Pero, naisip mo na ba kung bakit parang taon-taon mas umiinit ang panahon? Hindi lang basta dahil summer? Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit mas umiinit ang mundo ay dahil sa greenhouse gas emissions. Yung mga usok at carbon dioxide galing sa pagsunog ng langis, gasolina at kuryente. Kapag dumami yan sa atmosphere, nakakulong yung init ng araw sa mundo. Parang pinainit ng pinainit yung earth natin.
So, our group thought, what if we can make something eco-friendly, tipid, and effective?
Using only the power of the sun?
Introducing our inventions, DIY Solar Air Cooler.
We used styrofoam bags and made a small hole on one side for a mini fan that's connected to a solar panel. When sunlight hit the solar panel, the fan starts spinning. No electricity needed. Inside the styrofoam box, we place ice cubes or even bottles filled with ice. As the fan pulls air from outside, it passes through the ice inside the box. The air cools down and comes out cold and refreshing, just like a mini air conditioner. This invention is perfect for areas that often experience brownouts or where electricity is expensive. You can use it outdoors like in your terrace or backyard, and since it uses solar energy, it helps reduce power consumption and supports renewable energy use.
Our invention will help mitigate the climate change by using solar as a power to reduce the usage of fossil fuel that will help the environment. And it will be very useful during the summer if there is any power outage. Our ozone layer is slowly deteriorating, and our country, the Philippines, is located at the center of the equator. That is why we experience extreme heat during the summer. Though we cannot change our climate, but our group made an invention that would help us reduce and mitigate the heat during the summer. Our invention, DIY Solar Air Cooler, is to help us reduce the heat during the summer, and it will be used very efficiently if the power is out.
The DIY Solar Air Cooler runs, it helps to lower electricity costs, and since we use solar panels, it's eco-friendly. It helps to renewable and reduces fossil fuels, affordable to build, and it's good for backup situations. Then the cons is to run a cooler on solar panels, it need to charge it on the sunlight. However, it might have a problem to a weather, and also it's not a longer uses.
What makes our invention unique is that it combines solar energy and evaporative cooling in a low-cost DIY design that anyone can make at home. Unlike regular electric fans or air conditioner, it doesn't rely on electricity from power lines. And unlike commercial solar coolers, our version is made from recycled or affordable materials, making it more accessible or ordinary Filipinos, especially in rural areas. One of the challenges we faced was connecting the solar panel to the mini fan properly, especially in making sure the power was enough. We also had test different materials like fan and containers, yellow, and especially solar panel to find the best one that could keep air cooler longer. But through teamwork and trial and error, we were able to make it work successfully.
Through this project, we learned that innovation doesn't always need to be expensive or high-tech to make an impact. We realized that small ideas, when focused on sustainability, can contribute to solving big problems like climate change. And most importantly, we learned the value of teamwork, creativity, and environmental awareness. That even as students, we can make difference by thinking green.